Hello, my name is Josh, and today Jace, Evan, and I will be talking about the destruction of the Confederate monuments. The problem at hand is that the Confederate monuments are being removed from public areas, but many towns are still home to these monuments. These statues promote white supremacy and are a mockery of the people who live in these towns. The majority of people find these statues offensive and believe they should be taken down. 3 reasons Confederate monuments should be removed from where they exist, with no transfer of location of any kind, is that the monuments promote white supremacy, the monuments do not belong in public squares, and the monuments approve the wrongful acts that remain today. The Robert E. Lee Monument in Charlottesville, Virginia, was commissioned by Henry Schrady, and it was completed by Leo Lantelli in 1924. Henry Schrady was an American sculptor, and Leo Lantelli was an Italian sculptor that immigrated to the United States. Yoni Applebaum states in his Atlantic article called "Take the Statues Down" that the Robert E. Lee statue is attired in uniform riding his horse. He is the general who took an invading army north into Pennsylvania in 1863 in defense of a slave society. Yoni Applebaum is a social and cultural historian of the United States, who before joining the Atlantic lectured on history and literature at Harvard University. He had previously taught at Babson College and at Brandeis University, where he received his PhD in American history. Applebaum quotes Mayor Mitch Landrieu in New Orleans that these statues were a part of terrorism as much as burning a cross on someone's lawn. They are erected purposefully to send a strong message to all who walked in their shadows about who was still in charge in the city. The Confederate monuments must be removed from where they exist with no transfer of location of any kind because they promote white supremacy. Not only do the monuments promote white supremacy, but they do not belong up because of the morality of their backgrounds.